Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make chicken curry. Okay, so this is how they finish it off in a restaurant when they're making a simple order for a chicken curry comes in, okay? Now we saw the base. You can either start it with just onion paste and finish this off, but I had made the base with the chicken flavor, and that's what it is. So now we're gonna put this little of that sauce which is there, and it'll get hot. And this is how a small portion is served in the restaurants. To this I'm going to add my ginger garlic. Now remember, that sauce only had some curry paste in it, so now we're going to add all this flavoring to it, and now all the spices will go into it. It's all those masalas. There you are. And you've got to cook this very well. Cook this very well. Add a little water to it. Just blend. And here I'm going to put my salt. Okay, so now my masalas are cooked. I added some salt into it and add a little more gravy. So we're gonna thicken this up. A little more water. There you are. That's all we require with the sauce. This cook. Come to a simmer. To this I add my chicken, the chicken which we had cooked. Okay, there you go. This is how they serve it in the restaurant. So nice and juicy. Let it simmer into it. Okay, to this we add little garam masala. Yummy, look at it. This is how juicy the chicken tastes in the restaurant, right? And the gravy is nice and thick. Now you can also take some raw chicken also and do it, but I prefer it this way. And to this now, we'll add little cream. There you go. And this cream is now makes this really rich. And let it come to a simmer. Here you are, let it come to a simmer. This is basic chicken curry which you get it in restaurants here. Now if you don't want to add the cream, you don't want to add the cream, it's fine. It's fine. Here we go. And now I add my cilantro to it. Voila, my chicken curry is ready to eat with a portion of rice. Now, usually Indian restaurants, they usually give you about 4 pieces of the chicken and all this gravy. So this is how you can save money by making this type of chicken at home. Okay, so now we're gonna plate this chicken of ours, really a chicken curry. sauce on it and some. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!